As things currently stand with our account class, when we print the class, print an object in the class, we get technical information back. That's because we haven't given Python any procedure for converting an account into a string. Let's fix that. We'll add in an underscore underscore str underscore underscore function, which will return information in this form. Account of, and the name of the owner, balance, and the amount of the balance. Then we'll return what we get when we fill in the blanks using the appropriate information. The first blank should be filled with the owner's name, and the second should be the amount of money in the account. We could add formatting here so that we can pass in a number and have it formatted in the right way. But in the course of this program, it seems that we'll need to format numbers as money many different times. So let's write ourselves a function called money that takes any amount, in this case the balance, and formats it into an appropriate sort of string. Then we solve our problem not only here, but in general. Here's our money function. It takes in a number and uses a pattern to format it. The pattern is a $, followed by a floating point number formatted with 2 digits after the decimal point. We'll fill in that pattern with the number passed in and return it. So here, money of the balance is the balance formatted with a $, and 2 digits after the decimal place. Again, let's try our program. Here's how things print now. Account of John Doe, balance, and the correct amount formatted nicely. So what remains is to fix our statement method so that the transactions are printed in a nicer format. Looking at one of my own bank statements, I see that banks sometimes use a 3-column approach. The first column shows withdrawals, the second deposits, and the third the running balance. Let's use that pattern ourselves. We'll have 3 columns, each one of which will be a right justified 12-column string. First, we'll use this pattern to print headings for each of our columns. The first one is for withdrawals, the second one for deposits, and the third for the running balance. Again, let's try the program as it stands to see how things look. Here are our headings: withdrawals, deposits, and balance. The next line will simply show the starting balance. There will be nothing in the withdrawals column, nothing in the deposits column, and right here we'd like to show the starting balance. But we have a problem. By the time a statement is called, the balance has already changed. We don't remember what the initial balance was. We'll fix this in the next part of the screencast.